Viewers, welcome to my channel. Today, I'll show you a great software name is shopper.com. I think you already know, or if you don't know, then follow my video or see my video from A to Z. I'll guide you how can you download and what you have to do, what purpose you use it. So shopper.com, just note it, okay? And if you want it, then go to my description link here. You'll get your link to buy. You'll get a discount from my link. So if you want to manage, monetize, and analyze your affiliate product promotion at scale, then the shopper.com will be the best for you. You can buy from today now and just enjoy. Okay, it's life changing. So shopper.com is an online store where creators, publishers, and marketers are managed and monetize affiliate product promotion at scale. Okay, so very reasonable price and very perfect software for you. Okay, if you want to manage your product promotions from one place and share your branded links to improve discoverability and conversions, then this software is the best for you. Alternative to Amazon influencer program. So just see there, it's alternative Amazon influencer program. So you just imagine this software like the competition Amazon influencer program. Okay, so just imagine it. It's a very big software giver for the low price, okay, low cost. If you want to promote your brands and products to a built-in affiliate relationship, E25K plus online stores worldwide. Best for the it's best for us, suited for the influencer, affiliate marketers, agencies, and launch product promotion in multiple platforms. We maybe know and we already know that most of the people doing affiliate marketing and most of the people are influencer and most of the people have agencies. So I think almost 90% people need this software. So don't be late from today, just buy from today. It's the lifetime deal here. So I think it will be the best for you. And let me introduce the another features, the another massive features with you. If you want to share your store link on different platforms by embedding them on your blog, putting it for products users on YouTube, promotion them on WhatsApp. You can also use the built-in monetization features to earn money from your own affiliate links or take advantage of built-in affiliate relationship with over 35,000 online stores. Okay, a lot of affiliate URLs become total links over time. Thanks to the instant notification module, you will get alerted whenever a product or affiliate link is broken or expired. You can view the product link and store in each notification mode. Okay, you will also be able to manage and monitor all products URL share across multiple channels in the same platform. You always stop affiliate gain. You can receive instant notification when a product or affiliate link is broken or expired. So you can even use a branded URL with your custom domain, letting you drive SEO, increase engagement, and trigger repeat purchases with an asset to remember their name. Proper platform lets you see real human analytics to measure conversions from different traffic sources to understand how people interact with your product. You'll be able to see up-to-date information on total clicks, sales revenue, earnings or transaction from the earning dashboard. Your followers shouldn't have to resort or Google to figure out what products you posted on social. Shopper.com helps you organize and monetize the recommended products to also your audience can skip the research and get right to what they are. So I think what I share with you or what I want to give you to understand, make you to understand, I think you already got to know about the shopper.com. I think if you are the super active marketer, if you are the beginner or if you are have agency, if you have anything, I think all time this software need for you because in all in here, all in everything here in this software. Its name is shopper.com. So only cost is 79. It's lifetime deal. So I think if you make money or if you want to passive money, then I think this software will be very prime need for you. So buy from my description link here, you'll get your link and you'll get a discount from this software. So buy now and take you advantages from all the things from the software. And subscribe my channel and always visit me. Thank you very much for watching my video.